Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, if angle A is a right angle triangle, then what is the length of AB in centimeter? In right angle triangle BAC by hypotenuse theorem, BC square equals to AC square plus AB square. Here BC is 80. So 80 square equals to AC square. AC is given here, which is 64. So here it is 64 square plus AB square. Now subtract 64 square from both the sides. We get AB square equals to 80 square minus 64 square, which is 2304. Now taking square root on both the sides, we get AB equals to 48. Hence, length of AB is 48 centimeters.